Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have 3 character sets of some women in black outfits by Sasatoya, a pack of gemstone icons, and another pack of fruit icons, both by Winrexa. Next, we have some important updates on Retro and Fossil. As a reminder, Retro allows MZ plugins to work in MV, and Fossil allows MV plugins to work in MZ. First, a quick update on Fossil. Fossil now supports over 250 MV plugins confirmed to be working in MZ. Second, we have 2 updates on Retro. All of OcRam's powerful MZ plugins are now compatible with MV through Retro. And OcRam developed an add-on tool for Retro that allows us to create and use MZ plugin commands in MV. A battleback of a Meadow and a corridor by sharematerial.net. Next we have some new tilesets. Krachware Cyberpunk tiles by Jikunsoft and Dejika. A medieval library by Mike Turtle. A set of 27 trees and shrubs by Winrexa. And a collection of 355 pixel art rocks by Overload. And lastly, we have a demon MB-chan design by Chaosborn, and I made some outfit related edits on her. A demon MB-chan fits considering the RPG Maker horror genre. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now, and if it's a horror game, consider including demon MB-chan in it.